Hello everyone, my name is Elvis Innocent Agbede, and in this lesson I am going to answer the question, what is the standard door size for residential buildings? This video is going to be a part 2 of standard door sizes for residential buildings. If you've not watched part 1, try to watch that before or after this video by clicking on the top right hand side on the screen. So let's start. Before buying a door for your residential homes, there are many factors you should consider. What style of door do you want? Do you want an out-swing or in-swing door? Do you want a pre-hung door or a slab door? Now, once you know the type of door you want, you will need to start measuring. Measuring a door and its frame can be difficult sometimes, but if you know what you are doing, it could save a lot of time. So let's take a look at a few good measurement practices and some basic facts surrounding standard door sizes, and the units are going to be in US units. You can convert them to metric units. The first one is exterior doors. The standard size for an exterior door is 80 inches by 36 inches, which is 6 feet 8 inches by 3 feet 96 inches. These days, 8 feet exterior doors is now very common for newer homes, and stock exterior doors are also commonly available in 30 and 32 inch width. Some door manufacturers sell exterior doors in 7 feet and 8 feet height, and the door width from 24 inch to 42 inch. And the standard door thickness is 1 and 3/4 inch. Now the second one is French doors. The size of a French door will be set by its manufacturer, but generally it will be between 30 to 72 inches in width, and this is per door. Sometimes French doors are sold in feet as opposed to centimeters. So they usually begin at 2 feet and goes up to 10 feet depending on their design. The third one is sliding glass doors. This type of door allows lots of natural light into the house. They are common in most residential houses today. This type of door slides in parallel motion, and it makes it easy for homeowners to come in and out of the house. The standard size for a sliding glass door is 6 feet 8 inch high and 6 inch wide. There are also other popular sizes like 5 by 8 feet, 6 by 8 feet, and 8 by 8 feet. So you need to know that these doors come in various sizes depending on the manufacturer. The fourth one is interior doors. For interior doors, the height of all passage doors must be a minimum of 80 inches, and the standard width sizes for interior doors are 24, 28, 30, 32, and 36 inches. The minimum recommended door width to allow people with disabilities to pass through is 36 inches. Standard thickness of an interior door is 1 and 3/8 inch. Now, if your door exceeds 36 inch or is over 90 inches in height, then the recommended thickness for the door will be 1 and 3/4 inch. The last one is closets and utility doors. Closet and utility doors usually have tighter passages than standard doors. Most houses built before the 90s, the doors could be as narrow as 18 inches. But nowadays, in newer homes, Closets and utility doors usually have a width of 30 inches and a standard height of 96 inches. So these are the standard door sizes for residential buildings. Now before I go, I'm going to give a quick tip of how to measure your door properly. Now, if you are looking to replace a door you currently have and you want to take the measurements, you need to measure the existing door from top to bottom. Continue by measuring the door from left to right. You also want to measure the thickness of the door. Most doors have a width of 1 3/4 inch, and your door shouldn't be too far from that measurement. It is also important to measure the width of the door jamb and the height and width of the frame. Be sure not to include the trim in your measurement. Finally, you should add 2 inches to the width measurement of the door and 2 inches to the height for the doorway opening. This is what we know as rough-in measurement. So basically, a rough-in measurement applies whether or not you are using a pre-hung door. For example, a 36 by 80 inch door would be 38 by 82 inches. That is when you include 2 inches of your rough-in measurement. So this is how you can properly measure your door. So thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button, and also click the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notification. And also share this video to friends. So this is all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.